Yo, what's up everyone? Remember I was like a couple weeks ago I got banned. First like I got banned from the Nike factory store. I got banned from the Nike factory store. Denied on this Nike outlet, the Nike factory store. So I'm gonna try one more time if they're gonna let me or gonna buy something today. And it's already kind of late. It's already in the afternoon. What's up everyone, thank you for tuning in. Nolasco here and welcome to the Nike factory store. And as you can see, we're already inside and not much going on, a lot of people inside. So first up, we got some returns here. The Pegasus, pass those. And how about the Air Force One? Nice, size 13 though. Hey! Is 99 with no additional discount, but this pink one is not bad as well. And this one, how about the Air Max 200 white and black colorway and $59.97 with the additional 30. Boom! Team Tennis Classic, $34.97 with the 30. And Nike Air Tracks, wow, nice, $49.99. And this 273 AG, $109.99. Like the colorway though, still high though. But look at this one, triple white, $119. Wait out. More here. So they have the full saffron. Okay, how about this one, $49.97, the Odyssey React 2 Flyknit with the 30%. And this Nike Zoom type, double stack, Air Zoom. Well, I'm gonna wait at this one for more cheaper with the additional 30, maybe somewhere $50. How about the drop type premium, $29.97 with the 30% off, triple back with some nice leather. What do you think? Free round Flyknit 2018. This one is not bad as well. And we got the Joyride, $54.97 with the 30% off. And this Katie is kinda I don't know what's going on this one. I don't really know what it is. Can you leave a comment down below? Alright, we got the Lebron Lows, 99 additional discount, but this one is new in the store. No additional, it's still in retail though. And this one at Lebron Soldier, 14 USA. Wow, nice colorway though. Still in retail. And wow, look at those box, nice. Wow, they sold it on $184.99 on eBay though. And they have full size run-ish, so that one is not bad as well. And how about some generic basketball shoes? Zoom Assertion in white colorway, $44.97 with the 30% off. And this other colorway, and it is in black and white-ish, $29.97, 30%. Zoom Freak 1. What do you think? $69.99, no additional discount. And carry load free? Wow, no additional discount. Also on this bread-ish colorway. And hey, this is the KD that's in display. 2K20, really? This is the Red Gamers exclusive. Wow, sold $190. Jordan, why not zero? Why not? Are you here? 49. Jordan Big Fan Premium, $69.97 with the 30. That's not bad as well. Okay, another Jordan, $69.97 with the 30%. This one is not bad for that price though, for the collection. So on the hash wall, clearance wall, back wall with the 30% off. So what we found here is this Kyrie-ish 6 and nice color though. Wow. How about the Nike Shack NZE? And they sold also on 100. And how about the Freak 2? No. Why? 119? Well, what do you think? Leave a comment. Jordan Pro 2 React 59.97. There you go. The silver bullet colorway 79.97, additional 30, and this woman-ish shoes, and also here on the back wall and clearance wall of women's and kids. I don't see that much. Nothing that much to be flipped. So, ooh, I see something. Okay, here you go. Women's Air Max Verona. Check that out. 29.97 with a 30%. And this one retailing is somewhere 130. And I'm gonna take all of this coming home with me. Ooh. This swoosh-ish windbreaker jacket is really cool on this back. Not much going on the front, double swoosh, but the back is like it though. 79.99, retail on the 140. That one will go down to somewhere 34. Okay, here you go. This is what we got. And we could buy them all, and we're not gonna be denied. And here we go. We're checking out. Alright, as you can see, it's already night, and I'm the last person to check out. So this is what I got. Only 3 bags, and we are not denied for today's Nike factory store. So I'm gonna share you what we got in here. Next day, this hunting on this Nike factory, and I'm going back. Oh, check this out, that Jordan shirt, nice, like that one. Okay, going back here and going back for more for the KD13 gamers exclusive. So as you can see right there, boom, we got more.